There is such a large selection here.
Hello.
Excuse me, where can I find Nutella? Oh, thank you. Wow, so quickly delivered. Thank you. I'll take this.
Thank you.
Great, Nutella is finally in my kitchen. To begin with, I separate the yolk from the whites using such a device. Look how easy it is. I put the yolk in a separate bowl and I start whipping the whites. You need to immediately add sugar, a little salt, and some lemon juice. Now it will be much more easier to beat. And we're gonna get some foam. Voila! Now I take the yolk and add some milk. Perfect. A little oil and a couple of drops of vanilla. Mix all the ingredients until smooth. Now you need to set the flour into the mixture and mix everything well again. Now it's time for the whites foam. I add it to the dough and mix it carefully so as not to let the air out of it. Now I need Nutella. I'll add it directly to the dough. Mix everything well again and prepare a baking dish. I carefully shift the dough into it, just like this. It only remains to put it in the oven for 30 minutes. The biscuit is ready. I carefully divide it into 3 approximately identical cakes and put them on a plate. It's time to collect our cake. A little cream on the stand and put the first cake on it. Followed by all the others. And between them, I made a layer of delicious buttercream. I'll cover the cake with the same cream on the outside and on the sides and the top. I smooth out the cream so that the cake is more neat and smooth. And finally, we can start decorating. I'll start with these cream drops. I'll decorate the top of the cake with them. It's really very nice. And at the base of the cake, I'll have a cream of a different color. And not just one, but all the colors of the rainbow. Just look what a beauty turns out. And these little candies will fit perfectly in my bright cake. They're also colorful and very tasty. So the cake is ready. It turned out just fine. I can't get enough of it. I tried my best. Can't wait to try it. I'll cut myself a small piece for tasting. Oh, what a perfect slice! Now, let's try it. It's so delicious and so chocolatey. Just incredible, I can't stop. Hello everyone! Today we will prepare a miniature watermelon ice cream. I have a lovely piece of watermelon. Let's cut it with a spoon and put it into a bowl. There we go. Perfect. Now we need to make watermelon juice for ice cream. To do this, I'll mix my watermelon. Add some sugar and lemon juice. And mixing it up again. Next, we need to put it through a sieve to remove the pulp. Great! I leave the juice and put the pulp in a bag and put it into the refrigerator for half an hour. Actually, we'll need it again. Perfect. Now, let's move on to avocado. This is a very delicate and healthy fruit. We will make a puree out of it and add it to ice cream. I'm going to use a spoon for that. Just like that. It looks so bright. It's time to light a fire and prepare the base for our ice cream. We will pour milk into a saucepan, put jelly powder, and of course, sugar. Wow! When everything is boiling, you can pour the base into the bowls. The first is watermelon juice, the second is coconut milk, and the third is avocado puree. It only remains to mix it well. Let's do this. One by one. Well, that was perfect. Finally, we can fill our ice cream molds. As watermelon seeds, I'll put sesame seeds. They're supposed to be edible. Now we can complete our mini masterpiece. Layer by layer. It remains to insert some sticks and send everything to the freezer for half an hour. In the meantime, we'll get a watermelon mold and decorate it. Dry ice will be at the bottom, and it will smoke. Let's put our pulp on it. And ready-made ice cream on top. Voila! Pieces of mint will add sophistication to our dessert. Hooray! We got amazing watermelon ice cream! It looks gorgeous and very tasty. I'm already drooling. Let's try it. This is excellent. I really like it. Amazing.